So right now we are going to meet Cassie at the deck. Cassie is an addiction counselor with Southeast, and she is going to show us what she does when she goes to the deck for outreach.
My name is Cassie. I'm an addiction specialist on the team. I love to help people, and I love when every day is different, and that is definitely this job.
As I walk around the deck with Cassie, I'm struck by how these basic services, things that we take for granted like fresh laundry and hot water, are life-changing for these individuals. But these people aren't just numbers. Each person arrives with a story of struggle, longing for something as simple as a place to warm up, a hot shower, or even just a safe place to store the little belongings they do have.
Partnerships like the one between Southeast and the downtown engagement centers matter because they create access. It's here that conversations start, where trust is built, because before someone walks into the clinic, before they agree to go to treatment, they need to know that someone actually sees them.
Here at the Downtown Engagement Center, we work on trying to get individuals connected with services so that they can move on with their lives and get what they need to move into housing or whatever their next step looks like. When I was walking through the deck today, I felt the deep, raw emotion of human resilience and compassion. I expected to see struggle, and I did, but what I didn't expect was the laughter. Even in the hardest of times, the individuals served here find moments of joy and lift each other up despite the weight that they carry. I wish that people understood the work that we do and knowing that everybody that we work with really are people.
I meet people where they are, sometimes at their lowest, sometimes when they're not ready. Change isn't something that we can force. People have to see a reason for it, because real change happens when people know that they have options, when they feel supported, and when they know someone's in their corner. That's why outreach matters.
We have to talk about solutions to homelessness, addiction, and mental health in broad, impersonal terms. But here at the deck, it's not about numbers. It's about people. People who are doing everything they can just to survive another day. People who, despite everything, find ways to hold on to hope. This partnership between Southeast and the deck is more than collaboration. It's hope in action, a lifeline for those who need it most.